Hey guys, Jessica Coulter here, CEO and founder of Ace Cookie Tutoring. Today I want to talk to you about your school library and how you can make the most of it and actually use it during remote learning. So if you didn't know that your school library was available to be used during remote learning, let me know by clicking that thumbs up or like button for me. And let me know what your favorite book is below, in case you're a reader as much as I am. I would love to find some new recommendations, so let me know down below. So before we go into how you can use your school library, these different tips and things I just learned about today from the school I'm subbing at, I want to introduce myself. Again, my name is Jessica Coulter, CEO and founder of Ace Cookie Tutoring. I tutor students that are in the 3rd grade and older, all the way up through adults in grad school, and then also help with other professional writing needs. So I've got the 3 specialties: essay writing and proofreading, or just kind of writing in general, middle school math, and essay prep, ACT prep, which sometimes is also essay prep if you do the writing section. Anyway guys, let's jump into the school library. So, number 1. Well, the school I'm at now, the librarian says that she's taught all of the kids how to do holds, both at her library at the school and online to do it for the public library. So definitely that's something I highly recommend, is if you or your child's school has a hold program, definitely learn how to use it and take advantage of it. Because at the school I'm at, students can put a book on hold and the librarian puts them in the office. So kids can come get the books during school hours or office hours. So you're basically still using the school library, you just don't get to be in the library since there's not students at school right now. So find out what the situation is for your school. So guys, before we move on, we're outside, it's a little warm today, it feels good, but I want to know how I can help you guys. I want to make remote learning the best it can be for you. I want you to realize that we might not physically be in school, but you can still take advantage of different school kind of activities and offerings, just like the library. So if you want to learn more and you need some help, give me a call or email. The info is in the description. So 913-938-6344 or acecookie@gmail.com. So guys, I've got a second tip for you. The librarian told me a lot of kids are buying books right now. So you can definitely do that if you want. If you're like me and you only read the book once, I wouldn't recommend that, but it is always an option. Libraries are still able to purchase books. There's probably a lot of books that are new in your school library that you just don't know about. So yeah, you can buy your own books, or maybe you should ask about what are the newest books at your school library, because for all you know, there might be some brand new books that no one's read yet because there haven't been kids in the building, or maybe you were hybrid for a little bit and just no one got around to reading them. So what do you know? So again, I want to know what your favorite book is down below in the comments, or maybe you just have a favorite author. Let me know that too. Okay, always looking for something new to read. And remember, if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel so you know the next time I go live, and make sure you're a follower on my Facebook business page, Ace Cookie Tutoring. Alright guys, one more thing I want to tell you. So here in Kansas, in my area, so my business is based in Gardner, Kansas, some of the districts are getting ready to go back to hybrid. So when it comes to your school library, actually make use of it, when you're in person at the library. So you can go before school, you can go possibly in a study hall, you could even go between classes. And remember, if you're in a class and you get done with the assignment, or your child does, go to the library and get a book, because there's absolutely no reason you should be sitting there doing nothing if there's work to be done, or if you're caught up and looking for something to do. Reading is always my #1 suggestion, because I love it, and because you're always going to learn something from a book, no matter how easy or difficult it is for you to read or for your child to read. So guys, that's it. Just want to say hello and make sure you knew your school libraries were still there, still able to be used. I know public libraries are closed for a while, but now that school's back in session, school libraries are open. So you might have to wait a little bit to read that book if there's only one copy and your friend just read it, so it's going to have to go in quarantine and follow whatever cleaning procedures your school library has. But you can still read that book, I promise. So again, if you're looking for some help with remote learning, want to figure out how to make everything the best it can be, figure out how to take advantage of the library and other school offerings, give me a call or email, 913-938-6344 or acecookietutoring@gmail.com. So thank you so much for watching, and remember, call or email to get those tips and find out how you can use everything the school offers, even if you're remote learning, so you can take advantage of all of those school offerings. Thanks so much, guys.